Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's learn English.
Take a look at this sentence. Last month, many flights was or were cancelled. But which one should we use? Was or were? Stick around and let's find out. Now, before we answer this question, let's just quickly look back at our last lesson on when to use is or are. Take a look at this sentence. The weather is warm today. It is about 25 degrees outside. Now, in this example, the weather is the subject and it is the subject pronoun, which takes the place of the noun weather. So we're talking about the same thing. Now, in this example, we've used the verb is. The weather is warm today. It is about 25 degrees outside. But why have we used is? Now that's because we're talking about the weather for today, the weather right now, and also because the weather is just one thing. So we're only talking about one thing. Hey, now let's get back to the main part of today's lesson. Take a look at this sentence. Yesterday, the weather was very hot. It was about 34 degrees in the afternoon. Now, in this example, the weather is the subject and it is the subject pronoun, which is the same thing as the weather. Okay, now in this example, the verb was has been used after weather. Yesterday, the weather was very hot. It was about 34 degrees in the afternoon. But why have we used the verb was and not is? Now that's because we're talking about something to do with yesterday. And yesterday is in the past. So whenever we're talking about the past, we have to use was and not is. Okay, now that you've understood that, let's go back to the beginning of today's lesson. Last month, many flights was or were cancelled. So which one should we use? Should we use was or should we use were? Now what's important is we need to look for the subject, which is many flights. Now flights is more than one thing. It's more than one flight that we're talking about. And because it's more than one flight, we have to use were. So last month, many flights were cancelled. Okay, so here's a quick fix to help you to remember this. If we're talking about one thing, then we use was. If we're talking about more than one thing, then we use were. So anything to do with the past, we should use was or were. And anything to do with now, then we use is or are. Okay, now it's time to test yourself. How many can you get correct? Let's find out. Yesterday, my brother was or were very tired. Should we use was or should we use were? Yesterday, my brother was very tired. Now that's because my brother is one. We're talking about one person. So we use was. Okay, next question. Last night, the students was or were in the classroom. Is it was or should it be were? Now the answer is were. Now why is that? Now that's because the students is more than one. We're talking about more than one student. So last night the students were in the classroom. Okay, next question. The weather was very cold. It were freezing. Is it was or is it were? It was freezing. That's because we're talking about the weather. We're just talking about one thing. So the weather was very cold. It was freezing. Last week, there was or were many problems. Is it was or is it were? So last week, there were many problems. Why is that? Because we're talking about more than one problem. We're talking about many problems. So we use were. Okay, the next question. Yesterday he was or were at home. They was or were at school. So which one do we use? Was or were? Now there are two parts to this question. Okay, for the first part, yesterday he was at home because he is one person and they were at school because they is more than one person. Right, and the last question now is I was or were very happy. Is it was or is it were? I was very happy because remember was is used for one thing or one person. Okay, that brings us to the end of this test. If you got all of them correct, then that's fantastic. Well done. If you did make a few mistakes, don't worry. Just watch the video again and test yourself again. And that's it for now. Stay tuned for another lesson from Simon Says, Let's
Let's
Learn
learn
English.
English.